Okay, so after doing a website, you are going to be host a website in the what you can say in the cloud. So we don't have to pay for a cloud, so we have a free cloud storage. So there we are going to be host the server. So what is that one? That is a Netlify. Okay, Netlify is a one thing. Here you are going to be upload your website. So you have to sign up first, or else okay. Once you sign up, then you have to log in with your username and password. See, while you sign up in, you keep in mind whatever the username password you have given. Okay, so it is already logged in with the Gmail, so that's why it is taken here. Okay, this is the sites. Okay, you have to go for the sites, and you have to go for the add a new site. Okay, so here deploy manually. Okay, so here you can drag and drop. So what I will do, I will just go here. I will go for my training batches, April 2022 CSS. It is there. Okay, so only thing it is that your file name should be index, not a index one or something like that. So for that, you just rename to index one or web one, whatever the file name you have set. So just to change it to the index. That's it. Okay. What is this one? So it is printing us some output. So this is a one simple website. So this website I will post here. I will go here. Where is that? Yeah. Oh, is it? Think. Yeah, it's visible, right? I I think your network issue. I think so because remaining Karthik, uh, Pushmita, Janeshwari, you are getting a screen, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, there is a connectivity issue. I think it is already shared. Okay, so resume your presentation. I will stop and I will. Again, I have reshare. Okay, so Netlify is a one thing. So you are going to, yeah. Okay. Here you are going to be a drop here. So what is my website? So this is a, the file name should be always indexed whenever you go, whenever you want to post in a cloud. So you have to maintain the file name index. So you just drop into here. Okay. Please drop a folder containing index.html. Yeah. So we need to host a some minimal file folder. What is this? I will just go here, February batch, HTML. No, there is a folder called assignments. Assignments. So something called a curd operation. So this is I will post there. I will just see the file name is index style something like that. Okay, so this project I will take and I will add here. See, it is uploading. Please do not refresh. It is telling that once the upload completes, so automatically it is telling that your site is deployed. See here, it is a logs is generating. So initializing, building, deploying, cleanup, post processing, everything is done. See, the file name is index.html for the HTML, script for the JavaScript, style.css. See, till now we have done a HTML part, CSS part. So JavaScript, you don't worry. So just type whatever he will type. Okay. So then, if you just go for the site overview and see, my project is here in the local. If I just click means it is running in the DB stream IO training batches, something like that. Okay, I am adding a task and edit a task, delete a task I am doing. But this task should be available in the cloud server because I have uploaded. You have to go for the site overview. So this is the URL. Okay, so here, so this is a simple task manager. Need to go for a collect a hall ticket. So add here. So here we can add a hall tickets and edit. And if you want to delete, you can delete like that. So this is the you can share to your friends. So just I want to share you guys, you are able to see this one. So why we are telling in the sense, whenever you attending an interview, so you are going to be work your live projects and you are going to be host in the cloud. It will looks like this. Okay, so the interviewer he will click on this link and automatically this is the project will open. Okay, so now what is a Java, what is a Python, that is gone. So how many projects you have done show means you have to give the 5 to 10 links, what are the project and everything you have worked. Okay, so this is the Netlify you are done. I think Kushmita, she know how to do. So if you not get any problem you got means, so you have to just communicate with the Kushmita. Okay, so now we are going with the actual part of what we can say JavaScript. Sorry, CSS. Yesterday we have discussed about till that CSS overflow. After that CSS float and CSS inline block block inline. Okay, then CSS align. So align left, center, top like that. Okay, and CSS combinators. Okay, okay. What are the CSS combinators? See, combinators are there are four child selector, descendant selector, child selector, sibling selector, general sibling selector, or else adjacent sibling selector, general sibling selector. So that is called a combinators. Next is a pseudo classes. CSS PSUED pseudo classes. So we have discussed about the four major classes: A colon link, A colon visited, A colon hour, A colon active. So this is the four classes. So then after that, now it will come the, and we have discussed about a pseudo element also. See, pseudo element is not that much important. So just I will just brief it. I will just take one example, pseudo elements it will cover. So what is a pseudo element? For that, I need to go for my batch CSS. We'll go here, CODE space dot means it will open the Visual Studio Code. Let's close this one. Here it will open. So now, here what I will do, pseudo elements. So pseudo classes is also just in the same file. I will not create any file here. I will add a one horizontal line. How to do HR open close brace and next is the paragraph. So then you are going to be add some dummy text. Loy param dummy text. So we have added here. Okay, what I will do, what is this one? Pseudo element hr, then I will add a h2 ps pseudo elements. So what I will do, colon colon first hyphen first line. So in the css, p double colon first line, I will use a color red and font variant small caps. Save it, right click, open with the live server. See here, so it is a red color and a small cap. So just I will remove this one, or else I will change to other color. Okay, so this is the color. Control S, will go here. See, this is how it is going to be changed the color. Okay, so copy, Control V. See here, the first line is made of this color. Okay, and the remaining will be a normal color. Okay, so this is the how to apply the color. Okay, so this is called a pseudo element. So if you just have a idea, so if you want to go means you just go for the complete reference of a W3 school or something like that, or I will prefer a first of Mozilla website. You will give a complete idea. So or is W3 school. The next is what opacity. What is the opacity? Uh, if you mouse over or something like that, index10.html. So document. What is the opacity? So right click, close others, and H2 the opacity. Save it. Okay. So what is the opacity? First, what I will do, I will take a one image property. I will take a one image. So img, which image I will take? So I will take a pixel. Okay, this is the image I will take. Right click, open with the live server. So you will not find anything here. Okay, so just I will add a width equals to around 500 pixel. Control S. Okay, now I will add a one property called inside a style attribute. I will add a one style attribute image colon opacity is a 0.6. Control S, run it. See, now it is a blurriness is there. If I want to show opacity 0.2, control S, completely blur. If I use the same 0.9, so now it will look darker. I will do, if I mouse over means it has to be completely, it should be blurred. How to do this one? So for that, img colon hover open close brace. The opacity is 0.1. What is the image? What is the hover? Hover means keeping a mouse over is called a hover. Image colon hover means it is the clicking on the image, it is changing a hover. So just I will go here. If I mouse over means it is getting blurred. Okay, so this is how it will be there. So 0.9, 0.1 means it is a very less blur, and it means less. So just what I will do, normal image only 0.1 or completely blurred. When I mouse over means it has to be fully darken the image. See now initially the blurred image, when I mouse over means it is the darken the image. Blurred image, darken image, blurred image, darken image. So this is how it will works. Okay, so now uh, this is called a opacity means making a darkness or a what we can say like a blurriness or darkness like that. So we can say it. Okay, so now uh, opacity 0.1 means less darker and opacity 0.9 is a like higher in the darker way. Okay, so now next we are going with the CSS navigation bar, nav bar. It is a nav bar. If you just open here any website, what is that one? Zomato. Okay. If I click means, so every application is having a top navigation. See, this is called a navigation. Here it is a search is there. Here is a login is there. Sign up is there. This is called a navigation bar. So how to create a navigation bar and what and all it is involved. If I just go for the Flipkart, if I if I open this, so this is called a top navigation bar. Image is there, search icon is there, login button is there, cart icon is there, become a seller is there. This is called a navigation for the top. This is called a top navigation bar. Okay, so now we are going to be create a top navigation. Okay, how to do the first? This is we are going to be achieved through the a list only. Okay, first what I want to do, I want to what you can say write a one list. That list contains a what? It contains a what you can say table of headers. So that headers is going to be created here. So how to do? First, I need to go with the one navigation. So here I will remove this one. Just add a navigation. Okay. So now what I want to do? I want to make a first one list. Okay. For that a list means you will. So inside you will add a li home and second list item will be something news and third item will be contact about. Save it. If I just go to the browser, so it will looks like this. Okay, so now, so there are a navigation either should be in the top or a left. So there are two possibilities there. If it is in the top bar, home, news, contact, about, so that is called a top navigation bar. If it is in the left side, so that is called a left navigation bar. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to write a CSS for this one. So for that, body margin 0. So margin 0 means it will align the top left corner properly. Okay. So where is the file? So this is how it will. Okay. Body. So this is the body element is aligned properly. The next we are going to write a style for the UL. So UL open close brace list style type none margin 0 and padding 0. Let's say I want to take a left navigation. Width equals to 25%. So background color something light blue and position is fixed. So I need to tell the positions. Okay, I will tell the height equals to 100% and overflow auto. See if that more elements are here, so automatically scroll will come. If it is a less means there is no need to scroll. So if you want such scenario, you have to use it overflow auto. Okay, then save it. We'll go for the. This is for the UL tag we have write this style tag and everything. So now we are going to write a list item, list item or a. So we need to add inside an anchor tag because it has to be redirect, right? Let's a okay list lia and display block because I want a left navigation, that's why block, and the display block and the color will be antique white and padding 8 pixel and 16 pixel. What does that mean? Whether it is a top or a right or how it is. If it is a four value means top, right, bottom, left is there. If it is a two value means so 89 for top, 89 for bottom, 16 means so second and 69 right and 16 left. Okay, so now text decoration none. Li a dot active open close brace background color again I will take a attention li a colon active. Okay, so for that active you need to write here Control S, rightly open with the live server. See, this is how it will looks. Okay, so this is the left navigation. So 25%. So if I just, it is looking bigger, right? I will go here. Okay, this is called a left navigation. So, so if you want a top navigation, so what you have to do? Display. Yeah, hello. Sorry, where it is? Here. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. That is not 18, 8. So top should be 8 pixel, bottom is 8 pixel. The right is a 16 pixel, left is a 16 pixel. See, that's not an issue because it is going to be created where for the list li item. So padding means it is taking a space between the element with a defined border inside the that is called a content. Okay, so this is the one example for the navigation part. Okay, so now the next topic we are going with the so different types of list and everything is there. So this is called a what we can say vertical navigation. What is this one? This is the vertical. So then what if I want in the horizontal navigation? Okay, for the same property, you need to use a just a, okay. So just I will change a little bit CSS here. I will just remove all those things. Okay, list style type none, margin 0, and padding 0. Okay, and here in the LI display line controllers right click open with the live server. See here, it is showing like this: home, about us, contact, like that. So if you want to show in the horizontal, you have to use a inline. Okay, so that is called the CSS horizontal navigation. So we are going to be concentrate on more on CSS, but it will take a time. So just I will going to be brief here. So I will tell you more CSS for this one as well. Okay, the next will be a drop down. What is a drop down? If I just go here, uh, theme forest bootstrap template. Okay, so I'll just go for the templates, some of the templates. So here I want to search for the what you can say templates. See, uh, if I mouse or means, see, if I mouse or means, here it is showing this is called a drop down. Hosting, see, this is a drop down. And if I mouse means, this is a drop down. This is a drop down. This is drop down. This is drop down. So, like that, we want to create a drop down. How to do? So, I want to take a one more file that is the index11.html and the doc, save it, and we'll add a h2, the drop down example controllers. Okay, so now I want to create a first. one div here. So div, what is the class name? The class name is a drop down. Okay, save it. So now I want to create a one span element. What is a span? A span is an inline element. So most over 3. Okay, so this is a span element inside a div. So we are going to be write a span element. Then we have a one more div dot drop down drop down hyphen content. So drop down hyphen content. Okay. So then we have a p hello world. Okay. So just I want to show some one example. The first I want to write a style for the drop down. So inside a style, I want to for the drop down. So drop down class, for this class I want to write. So drop down open close brace. So here, so I need to tell the position and all. So no worries, I will tell. What is the position? The position is a it's related to its a parent. What is the parent? The parent is a div here. Okay, position is relate display inline block control s, then dot drop down hyphen content open close brace. So initially display none. Initially drop down content will be none, and the position is absolute because it is going to be referred to this uh, drop down classes. So drop down content is there. So background color, so something light gray, light which one we can use it? Something Lenin. Yes. Okay. Then minimum width of the drop down. Minimum width of the drop down is a 160 pixel or anything. So that is a one reason. And I want to add some box shadows. What is the box shadows? So box shadow means so just box shadow. So you just go here, search for the box shadows. See, you can write one by one, or else already someone is giving a box shadows. So we need to use a just. So there are this is a CSS 93 beautiful CSS box shadows are there. See, I will use a this box shadow. I have clicked here, or else I will use a this one. Copied and will add a box shadow property. Control V. So we have added a box shadow. Then padding. What is the padding? So creating a space between the content and the defined border. Okay, padding top and bottom 12 pixel, comma, left and sorry, no need a comma. Left and right 16 pixel. See, you can define anything, uh, but you have to define what size you want. Okay, so padding is 12, top is 12 pixel, and z minus index colon 1. So z index is the one thing, it is going to be uh, overlap element or an element. Okay, the next is dot drop down colon hover. When I hover on a drop down, drop down content. Okay, then bracket display block. Control S, right click, open with the live server. See here, when I mouse over this, it is giving the item list. So this is all about the box shadow and all. So if you want a different box shadow, you just copy this one, go here, and you can change the. This is the a box shadow. Control S will go here. See, this is a one type of box shadow. Okay, so like that, so we can create what I can say, a number of different types of headers and everything. Okay, the next is what you can say, counters. See, we know about counting using the JavaScript and JavaScript. So if you have a CSS, then how to. Okay, uh, I have some list here. I want to add a count for this one. So after div, I will add a horizontal and I will add a h2 the course list. Okay, then we have a h2 the Java subject and one more h2 Python. Java, Python, and H2, Node.js, React.js. Okay, so I will just change to H2 to H1 because we need to register H1. Control S. We'll go to the browser. See, this is how it will look. But I need to add some counters here. So how to do? First one is water. I will just go to here, a body, open close brace, and a counter reset. Reset and h2 double colon before bracket counter increment colon section. So two times. So this is a section. Then counter colon section counter so bracket and we will add a section. So here what happens? So we are using the what you can say, uh, counter section. We are passing the value here. So here for every counter, for every section, okay, for every section, the a counter is added along with the section. It is passed. save it. So we have a four element for the all the h2 element. So before the counter in section, so here the counter, so there is not a counter, this is for content. So section, the counter value, so it is going to be increment the every value. So just will go here, so it's not applying. See here the section 1. Okay, so here the value is not changing, so it has to be changed the value. So what mistake we have done? So just we'll have a cross section. So body is there, counter reset. Yeah, we need to pass the section. Save it. See here, section 1 Java, section 2, say 1 2 3 4 5, like that we need to pass it. So this is how it will passes the value. Okay, so this is called a CSS counter. So you can pass the value, or directly you can pass the what you can say, some of the values account. Okay, so this is more enough today. So I think if you know this one means it's almost all you know the CSS basics. So then we are covering the next topics are called advanced CSS. Okay, what is advanced CSS? So it's a based on the CSS. They have added some more features along with this one. So that those are called the advanced features. Okay, and I will take one or two example, then we'll finish. So just I will go for the index.html and the document control S, then H2. Okay, CSS rounded corners. So what does it mean? So we already discussed this one in the earlier session. Okay, so first what I will do, I will take a div hash corner 1. Okay, next is a div hash corner 2 and a div hash corner 3. Okay, so what does it mean? So just if you get you will get to know how we are going to be apply styles and everything. Okay, the first what I will do, I will go here, I will go for the style. Inside the style, I want to write a style for the each individual element. So hash, that is not a cornet, that is a corner. Okay, for the corner one, I will write a style, open close brace, border radius 25 pixel, and background. So you can select a background like this. Okay, 20 pixel. Padding is 20 pixel. Width equals to 200 pixel. Height equals to 150 pixel. Okay, so this is for the corner one, and we'll go for the corner two. corner 3. So corner is here. So you can set the border, what you can say, border color and everything. Okay, so like that. So these are all the different rounded corners. And if you just see here, right click, open with the live server, you will get, see here, the edges are a rounded corner. So like that, you are going to be uh, get us different images and everything. Okay, so the for the second one, it is same thing. For the third one, what I will just change the color. Okay, uh, something called a gold color. Okay, and see, this is a corner to corner three. Okay, so corner one, corner two, corner three, corner one, and here what happens? I will change another color here. Okay, so 3, 2, 1 is there. So here for this, I will add some background image URL, Control S, see here how it will be set. So these are the different types of borders we are going to be apply here.